Please don't be ugly. Please. Ooh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jenica Elizabeth and I am a petite fashion and lifestyle content creator. So today we are doing another unboxing first impression type of video, and we are featuring the Songmont Luna bag. So this just came in the mail and I am so excited about this bag just because I've seen it all over TikTok, Instagram, and it has so much good reviews. So I went ahead and got myself the bag. I finally have my scissors. Usually when I see like unboxing videos and first impressions of this bag, they do complain about how the packaging is not the best. So we'll see if I have the same fate. I am so excited. Ooh. So after a box, it has another protective layering. Okay, so it has another packaging bag. I guess they really took it too hard when people said that the packaging isn't the best when it reached the customer, so they really did secure mine. I'm not sure if it's the same thing for other people, but mine is pretty secured. The box itself is bubble wrapped. This is the box. It says songmont. I do love the minimalist vibe of the box. I am for it. There's no damage or whatsoever in the box. Let's unbox it. Please don't be ugly, please. Ooh, okay, so when you open it, it has these cards about the details of the bag, and then so you can get $20 off your next purchase from them if you share the word with regards to your order in your social media. So here are the steps. Now for the bag itself. This is the bag. It has a dust bag. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. Oh, okay. Okay, inside, nothing but just like the fluff to keep the bag safe. Okay, so aside from the dust bag, there are two other items that came with it. So this is one of the attachments, which we would figure out together how this would work. And the other longer strap, and I'm guessing this is for the crossbody style. So for my first impression, the bag is actually super gorgeous. It has this mini songmont logo right there, and then these are the hardwares if you can see, and then this is a very cute touch. This one is the lock. The opening is right here. It's a magnetic, and then here is the green leather inside. Let's figure out how the attachment works because that's what I am most excited about. Like I mentioned, the reason why I was so attracted to this bag is because you can wear it 4 different ways. What we're gonna do is we would just like slide it and lock it. This is the first way that you can wear it as a shoulder bag. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Ooh, I love it. Okay, so for the second way, for you guys to remove it, you just have to do this. Slide it out. And then this one, you slide it the other way around so it's more secure, which I love. The next way is to do the dumpling variation of this bag. These two ends, you just slide them together. Click. Now it's a night out bag. Oh my gosh. Okay, it looks so cute. Ooh, I love it. I really do. Let's do the third way. We will keep the dumpling variation, but we would put this attachment, the shoulder bag attachment, right here. We would slide and hear the click. And this is another cute statement bag. Like if you're wearing something simple, this is your statement. now we would do the last way, the fourth way, which is a crossbody way. First concerns that I had was this. For the strap, it doesn't have any stopper, so it just comes off. If you are clumsy like me, then that would be a problem because I do lose my things. I put it inside the buckle thing right here, inside the buckle. Okay, so the reason why that is some sort of red flag for me is because I know that if it's not attached to the strap, I know that I would lose it. So that would be a dilemma for me. We have the crossbody variation. Okay, so the highest setting that I did, it fits my frame nicely. I do love that. Let's discuss this bag a little more in detail. So I got this bag. This is a vegan leather version of the Luna bag, and this is made out of recycled materials such as plastic ocean wastes. This is the more sustainable option, so I am loving that about this bag. The inside is made out of microfiber leather. You can close the bag by this magnetic flap right here. Okay, so in terms of pricing, the Luna vegan leather bag is $255, but with tax, it comes down to $269.87. It is free shipping. The regular leather Luna bag, though, is $349, almost $100 more expensive than the vegan leather Luna bag. In terms of shipping, it took about 2 weeks to arrive since I placed the order. They are based in China, so that is why it took that much. So now let's see what can fit in my songmont bag. So I am doing a fit test in the shoulder bag variation. The first essential that I would have is a hand sanitizer, of course. I would also bring my card case, camera, phone, battery, and stuff. We'll also bring this lip stain / cheek tint, my phone, which is an iPhone 14 Pro Max. I would also bring a hand cream. My skin gets so dry, so this is a must for winter for me. Lastly, my keys. This is a cute keychain, very special, made by my daughter. Let's see, it fits. Okay, it does fit. It does fit. It still have a bit more space if you need to put a little bit more stuff, like snacks and everything. So let's see if it can close properly without... Okay, so it closed properly and it didn't deform the shape. And the bag itself is just 1 pound, so it is very, very light. This is what it looks with something on it. My essentials. It's not deformed. As you can see, it retained its shape, which I love. Let me do a quick experiment if I am able to do the dumpling shape with everything that's on it. Oh my gosh. It did work with the dumpling shape and I am so happy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is literally a day to night bag because of that. I love it. Yes, I do think it's worth it, especially the ones that I got. I got the vegan leather, which is like $255. The way that it's so versatile, I think I could get my return of investment. I am just not sure about the quality of the leather, just because it's vegan leather and this is the first time that I am having or I am using such leather from the composition, from it being recycled from ocean wastes and all that. So I am gonna keep close eye on that, like how the wear and tear of it. My first impression of it, I am obsessed. I am completely obsessed. It has my heart. There's so many ways that I can wear it. It's literally a day to night bag. Check back on me 2 to 3 months from now in terms of wear and tear, but the design itself and how it's so versatile and so easy to be different things all at once. I am so obsessed with that. If you reached this part, thank you so much for watching, and I would see you guys again for my next first impression unboxing type of video. Let me know down in the comments if you want me to unbox and do a first impression on an item that you are particularly curious about. Bye! I'll see you next time.